So today, let's talk about 5 Oscar short films you should definitely watch. Hi everyone, I'm Ramit Majumdar. I'm a filmmaker and a photographer. So let's talk about 5 Oscar short films that you should definitely watch. The rules are these short films are all available on YouTube and you can go watch it right now. It's available free of cost, and some of them have won awards and some of them are in Oscars YouTube channel. So they are all related to Oscars, somewhere somewhat like that. So let's talk about the first film, which is Dear Basketball. And I'm sure everyone knows about Kobe Bryant, our one of the most legendary basketball player who recently died this year, and that was a very sad event. But did you know he also has won an Oscar award for his film Dear Basketball? It The film talks about, it's an animated film and it talks about his life, and he dedicates his life to basketball in a letter in this film, uh, talking about his relationship with the game and his love for this game, and how he has to his journey has been wonderful because of this game. So it's a very emotional and a beautiful film. It's The animation is good. It is directed by Glenn Keane, and it's a wonderful film. You should go watch it. It's available on the internet. So the second film we are going to talk about is Two by Satyajit Ray. The film is by the Oscar-winning director Satyajit Ray. This short film you can find on Oscar's YouTube channel. The film generally talks about two children, one very rich and the other is a poor street kid. So they try to have a toy war, some kind of a toy war. The rich kid tries to show off all his new toys to the poor child, and the poor kid tries to show off his toys which he has to the rich kid. They both try to compete with each other. The rich kid is competing from inside a big bungalow, some kind of, and the poor kid is trying to compete from the roadside. So they try to show off their own toys and how they work, but in the end the message is very powerful. It shows that no matter how many things you have in this world, no matter how much rich you are, happiness doesn't depends on it. It has a very powerful, very strong message, and it's quite a amazing film. You should go definitely watch it. So the third film we are going to talk about is Hair Love. It is directed by Matthew H. Cherry and Bruce W. Smith. It's a film about a father's struggle with her daughter's hair. It's a I think it's based on a true story, but the film is very unique, and the emotional side of it is the emotional side of the film is very strong. It The daughter who has very big hair, and the it's 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 very unkempt and in a very bad shape, tries to fix her hair, but she can't because her mother is not there. So she finally decides to take the help from her father. They try to try to try to fix her hair, but they still can't. And but in the end they did, and after that, in the last scene, they go and visit their mom, who is unfortunately in the hospital and is battling with cancer. At that time the film really hits you, and in the end, and the message is it's wonderful, it's beautiful. It has won the best Oscar short film award for animated, and you should definitely watch it. The fourth film we are going to talk about is The Neighbor's Window. This film won the live action short Best Picture in the Oscars last year, and this film is directed by Marshall Curry. This film is, in one word, awesome. The film has a very beautiful and strong and strong message, and the story goes like this. It's actually a very funny film in start, and you would totally enjoy it from the start. The story goes like this: is that a new couple has recently shifted, a young couple in their early 20s has recently shifted in the neighborhood, and they're having fun, but they are being visible because of their apartment windows by the neighbor. And the neighbor is a old not old middle-aged couple with three kids in their early 40s, and they are able to see everything through their window. And because of that, they are getting jealous, because of course they are middle-aged couple, so they have, you can say, they are missing their youth, and they get jealous, and every night they try to stare at the young neighbors. So the film in the end has a very, I would say, very emotional and a very strong message, which you, when you start watching the film, which you don't expect that. So I wouldn't say anything much more about the film. You should definitely watch it. This is the best film out of all the five we are discussing today, I would say. And in the end, I would only like to say one thing about this film, that whatever we see in the other side of the other side, it is not always what we think it is. In other phrase, if we want to describe this film, is the grass is always greener on the other side. That is what the message the film gives. You should go and definitely check it out. It has been officially been uploaded by the director on YouTube, so you should have no problem finding it. The last and the final film we are going to talk about is The Father and Daughter. It's a very old film. It was released in 2000, and it is directed by Michael Dudok Dewitt. The animation of this film is very unique. It's like moving watercolors, 2D animation, and it's very beautiful, and it's I would say it's magnificent to look at. The film goes like this: the father and a daughter are cycling, and they go near a lake, and the father goes takes a boat and goes somewhere, but he never comes back. The journey of the daughter is shown, that how he tries to she tries to wait for a father who doesn't come back for years and years. The daughter grows up, and she becomes old. So the whole passage of time has been shown, that how the daughter wakes up, grows up, and becomes old, and in the end, he never came back. So it's a very emotional film. It has a very strong message, and you should go and definitely watch it. So thank you everyone for watching the video till the end. Please do subscribe, share, and like this video if you liked it, and I will try to link the description of all the films I have talked about today in the description below. Hope to see you in the next one.